Welcome to Ahan's World. Let's get started, friends. Hi guys, so today I'm reading another storybook. It's named Zeke and the Pop Bird, written by Jill McDougall. So his name is Zeke. His name is Bleep. His name is Mr. Moon. It says my school as well. Sinclair Primary School. Today we are going to the space zoo, said Mr. Moon. Everyone got onto the space bus. Zoom! Soon they were at the zoo. Zeke had some popcorn for the Pop Bird. It likes popcorn, said Zeke. I like popcorn too, said Blip. Look, friends, this is Zeke and he has the popcorn for the Pop Bird. See the Pop Bird? It's Pop Bird because it likes popcorn so much. And this is Blip. Zeke and Blip heard a cry. They went to find out what it was. This is Bleep and this is Zeke. Look at all of these things. This is a zoo, right? But it doesn't have the things we have in the zoo. And look at Bleep and Zeke and Mr. Moon. Mr. Moon looks so funny. The Pop Bird got out, said the zookeeper. Oh no, said Zeke. We will help you to find it. Look, friends, this is the Pop Bird sign. And this is a tree, right? Okay, it's a tree. And there's water spitting out in the bushes. And this says the Pop Bird. Oh no, said Zeke. We will help you to find it. Look, this is the zookeeper saying to Zeke and Blip and Mr. Moon that the Pop Bird is out and they're so sad. They will need to find him. Zeke and Blip searched the zoo. They saw an animal with lumps and bumps. It was called a lumposaurus. This look like a big fat belly, but it's the lumposaurus. That's what it's called. But ours is Triceratopsaurus, isn't it? Look at the sign. They saw an animal with dots and spots. It was called a spotty dotty. They could not see the Pop Bird. Look, this is called a poppy doppy and it has one eye. Isn't it funny? We guys have two eyes, do we? Yeah? And look, this looks like a ladybird. But it's called Spotty Dotty. Let's go next page. Plop! Something fell on Zeke. Yuck! Said Zeke. Look, I think that's the Pop Bird, isn't it? The Pop Bird is on the tree and he pooed on Zeke with the popcorn. He pooed. Okay. The Pop Bird was in a tall tree. It would not come down. Look, he was rubbing out his head since it didn't poop. And look, the Pop Bird is not going down. And Blip is very big, but he's not that big. Zeke and Blip had a plan. I don't know what's the plan. They put some popcorn under the tree. They put popcorn all the way back to the Pop-Pop bird's home. Look, they're doing the popcorn like an S to all the way back to his home. I thought the Pop-Pop bird's home is with Zeke and Blip. I thought that. Look, he's still like that. When is he gonna come down since they put all the popcorn? That's why it's called the Pop-Pop bird. Come and get the popcorn, said Zeke. Down came the Pop-Pop bird. It ate some popcorn, then it ate some more. And look, this is the arrow, and the Pop-Pop bird just looks like very sleepy, is he? And look, his home is not like ours. Ours is a building. What about yours? It went all the way back to its home. Look, the zookeeper standing there, and now the Pop-Pop bird isn't home. But it looks like in the tree, isn't it? And look, he's very happy. He's on top of the leaf. Good job, Zeke, said the zookeeper. Now let's all have some popcorn. And look, friends, they're all having popcorn, aren't they? But they look like not. Look, they're not. They don't have popcorn. They're like this. Hey, don't have popcorn. That's what they look like, aren't they? I already read my book. I had so much fun with this book. What about you, friends? Did you have fun? It was funny for the Pop-Pop bird and Zeke, isn't it? Bye for today, friends. See you next time. Bye.